Good evening to all of you. Today I will start Matrices chapter for class 10th. Before that, we will discuss the definition of matrix. What is matrix? See, what is matrix? A rectangular arrangement of elements in horizontal and vertical lines in vertical lines is called matrix. Means it is a rectangular arrangement of elements in horizontal and vertical lines. This is called matrix. But here the word horizontal line and vertical lines So firstly we will discuss these two words, horizontal line and vertical lines. Which is a horizontal line and which is a vertical line? We know x-axis. Our x-axis is called horizontal line and our y-axis is called vertical line. Means in matrix, horizontal lines are called rows and vertical lines are called columns. Clear beta? Now we will write M cross N matrix as A11, A12 up to so on Aij up to so on like Ain. Then second row first element, second row second element, second row j element, second row nth element up to so on m row first element, m row second element, similarly m row jth element and m row n element. It will be represent row multiply column. This is the order of matrix. Order of matrix is number of rows into number of columns. See one more, like 2 1 5 3 minus 2 7. We know this is our horizontal row, that is the row, this is called row, and this is our vertical line, means this is our column. This is our first row and this is our second row. Similarly, this is our first column, this is our second column and this is our third column. And what is the order of this matrix? What I said, row into column, means number of rows into number of columns. How many rows are there? 1 2. How many rows are there? 2. Multiply number of columns. How many columns are there? 1 2 3. How many columns are there? 3. So order of this matrix is 2 by 3. And elements of matrix. Now next topic is elements of a matrix. Elements of a matrix. Each number or entity in a matrix is called its element. Each number, like in this example, which are the elements of the matrix 2, 1, 5, 3, -2, 7. These all are the elements of the matrix. Now we will discuss about types of matrix. Types of matrix. First one is row matrix. We know row. What is row? Horizontal line. So what is row matrix? In which only row is given, means only rows are there, means no, see, only a matrix has only one row. Row matrix means only one row. A matrix which has only one row. Row means horizontal line, only one row. For example, suppose A, B, C are the elements. This is a row matrix because its order is number of rows into number of columns. How many number of rows are there? Only 1. And how many columns are there? 3. Next topic. So next type is column matrix. Next is column matrix. Same as row matrix. For row matrix we need only one row. Similarly for column matrix we need only one column. For example, A, B, C. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. But how many columns are there? Only 1. So its order is 3 cross 1. Next is square matrix. Square matrix. A matrix which has equal number of rows and columns. Equal number of rows and columns. In junior classes we always one thing is there. What is square? Means whose all sides are equal, means all things are equal. Similarly in matrix, square matrix is that in which equal number of rows and equal number of columns are there. Suppose A, B, C, D. This order is 2 cross 2. 2 rows, 2 columns. Similarly you can take one more example. 4 cross 4 means 4 rows, 4 columns. Next, rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix means our rectangle. See, our rectangle is in this form. Similarly in matrix, rectangular matrix means number of rows are not equals to number of columns. Number of rows,